Hi, my name is MB Vamsi Kiran. I am coming from Vijayawada. I was suffering from fistula for the past 1 year. I came to know through my cousin Aravind, who was also a patient at
Healing Hands
Healing
Clinic.
Hands Clinic. He was completely cured before. Actually, I want to try at Vijayawada, but he insisted me to go and meet Ashwin sir. So, without thinking much, I came here for the first time, and since then I was coming. I am coming for this fourth review. This thing, and as told, I am completely healed right now. Moreover, the staff here are very much cooperative, especially Ashwin sir, Leena ma'am, Farhan sir, and I could not tell you so many names, but I know them very well. Every day, whenever I come here, they will recognize me, and they'll appreciate me for doing good. When I as in Leena madam, I want to tell one thing. Leena madam, as and when I called her or I messaged me, she advised me. It is very much required in a corporate setup. I don't want to comment other hospitals, but here the patient care is very much there. So it is required for the patient. What is going on right now? Leena ma'am and Ashwin sir, really thankful to them that helpful in curing my this thing, and even here food facilities, water, cafeteria, all are good. I'm happy to be here, and right now I'm very much happy. Thank you.